Welcome to the 2019 BSU Black History Month Assembly.
What does it mean to be black?
I feel like black is such a general term. We have so many cultures, so many black people come from everywhere. Like there's no direct definition, but black is beautiful, man.
I don't really know. I feel like every race is the same because at the end of the day, we're all the human race, you know? So we're no different. Only difference that splits us up in society is our skin color.
Being black means everything to me. It's just who I am. And you know what? It's unusual. I've never been asked that question. I wouldn't want to be anything else because I'm proud of all that I am. Being black means being me.
Why is Black History Month important?
Black History Month is so important because black people are so overshadowed for their accomplishments. They're so overshadowed for what they've done for this country and around the world. And it just needs to be celebrated.
I feel like it's important to me mainly because it gives me a chance to embrace my black culture.
And what did your performance mean to you?
My performance, my poem, I did it as a way to just like reassure myself, and not just myself, but reassure everybody else. Don't be ashamed that you're black. Don't try to hide it. There's nothing wrong with being black because being black is a blessing. Your black is beautiful.
Although every shade of a maid has a soul, did you not know that your black is gold?
I was very flattered when Miss Thrasher asked me to sing the Black National Anthem because I myself am not of black descent. Or the BSU brought me in with open arms and everyone was so supportive and everyone was so like inclusive in, you know, the assembly. And then it made me less nervous to get up and sing just such a beautiful song.
Let us march on till victory is won.
My performance, it just symbolizes who I am. Like my dad, he had to leave his family. He couldn't talk to his family and be just like they don't exist basically anymore because he married a black woman, and that's just what I'm talking about in my song.
In me for being black, and my own family never seen me mentally and badly physically. Yeah, it's too much for me. This ain't meant for me. So yeah, I'm black. Yeah, I'm white. I'm African American. I am just a human. American is irrelevant. We need to show the world that we more than a pigment.
What was your favorite part of the assembly?
I think my favorite part personally was either the dance or the Ty and Kylan's rap.
I think my favorite part of the assembly was my colleague Maya's poem, Numb, the original piece. They were just words, but you could feel them, you could understand them, you acknowledged them, you knew what they meant, and you knew what the feeling was when she wrote them, and it really stuck to me.
Female's feelings with the waves, dipping deep down into the roots where my ancestors played. You play with me like Dr. Dre on the keyboard.
My favorite part of the assembly was every second from the beginning to the end. I was so proud of all of our students' hard work and their contributions and their performances, and I was equally proud of the audience. You could hear a pin drop.
Come to BSU, Ms. Thrasher's room, room 14. You don't have to be black to come. Everybody is welcome, and we're just one big happy family community.
I think it'll be worthwhile for you as a person, no matter what your ethnicity. Everyone's welcome in the BSU.